Oh. Hi stylers, so today I will be organizing my refrigerator. It's been a mess because the whole Christmas season I've been working and also I just buy stuff and put it in here. So today I will be organizing this refrigerator, cleaning it out and all because I have some new groceries to come in. I purchased a few more stuff and I just throw them in here. So I will be cleaning out this refrigerator now, throw away what needs to throw away some expired goods and all. So this is what it is looking like now. So I am decluttering my fridge now and I decided to share something in this video. You guys know that I ate this dish drainer. So guess what I finally got? I finally got a new dish drainer. So you guys hear me complain about the current dish drainer and I'm going to get rid of it now. So you guys hear me mention this dish drainer. I'm going to separate the pieces here. So this dish drainer, if you notice, it rusts. I don't know why it rusts like this, but it rusts. And now is the time I'm gonna get rid of it exactly now. I've sprayed a little bleach on this counter last night, so I'm going to spray some more and just wipe it off. I know it's not going to come back soon, like come back to its original state very soon, but I soon get something to clean it off properly. So this is it now. Finally getting a new dish drainer. Let me unbox it and show you. This is a Tramontina drainer. So let me pull it all together. This one looks a little bit smaller, but it will work. It's better than nothing at all, or better than the rusting one there. Oh. Wow. Not bad. Look at it. I like it. This is the reality of my fridge now. Nothing is in there more than vegetable, egg, and like sauce and stuff. So I need to stock up this fridge. So I'll be going to the supermarket next week or this week. Today is what day? Today is Sunday. So about Wednesday I'll be going to the supermarket to get some stuff to pack in this fridge, and this is what it is looking like now. So the oil I purchased last night, as I said, I left my bottle. I normally carry my bottle and purchase the oil, and this is $200 worth of oil. We're going to see how much oil we get out of it for the $200. Remember, one of the regular bottle is for like $400 and something, and they have the smaller one which is like for $400 and so $300 and something. So see it there. So this is the amount I got for $200. See there? Let me know what you think.